Okay, picking up where we left off, in this video we're going to make a process data table and then a scatter plot with error bars. I think it's easier when we don't have a lot of space to make a new sheet. Then we basically have two tabs that we can go back and forth in. It would be possible for you to just do your process data somewhere down in the white space on this sheet, but my personal preference is to have more than one tab. So here we are in sheet 2, and we are going to make our process data table with year, with mean, and standard deviation. So we're going to copy our years. Of course, we could just type 1974, 1975, 1976, and so on, but that's not efficient, and we want to use Excel to be more efficient. So I'm going to zoom out because there's so many years. Click 1974. I'm holding the shift key. Click 2000. Now I have that whole row highlighted, so I'm going to use the keyboard shortcut of Control-C to copy the row. I'm going back to sheet 2, and I'm going to use the keyboard shortcut of Control-V, and I copied that entire row. But there's a problem. This isn't exactly what we want. We actually want to paste this row as a column. So I'm going to do Control-Z and undo it. And I'm going to show you how to paste special. So you can do this with the mouse by right-clicking, and then you have a paste special option. You can also go here where you have this clipboard. Don't click on the clipboard, click on paste, and then you have paste special. So either way, it brings up the same menu. And what we need is this option called transpose. Transpose means go from row to column or vice versa. Okay. All right, and now we pasted that row as a column and checking that it's all there. Very good. So mean, we're going to do the same thing, but one more step. I'll click that cell, hold the shift key, click the final cell. Now I highlighted the whole row. Control-C, go to sheet 2. If I just hit Control-V, it's not going to be what I want. So I'm going to do paste special and transpose. We have an additional problem now because Excel is trying to apply the same formulas that it was using in sheet 1, and it can't find the values that it needs to apply the formula to. So that's why it's giving you this error message. So we need an additional step. So undo. I'm going to do paste special. We need to transpose, and we also need to tell Excel, hey, I want just the values. I don't want the formulas anymore. I don't care where these numbers came from. I want just the values. Okay. Okay, that's what we want. Very nice. And we're going to do the same thing with standard deviation. I'm going to highlight that entire row. Control-C, going back to sheet 2, and paste special. Remember, I need both transpose and just the values. Okay, we should be very happy with what we're seeing. We have our year, mean, and standard deviation. So how do we use this to get our scatter plot? So we want to highlight just the values for year and for mean. And I'm going to zoom out a little bit because I want to see it all at once. If you accidentally highlight the column headers, Excel won't know what to do because it doesn't know how to plot year and mean. It can only plot numbers. So we want to go up here to the Insert tab, see Home, Insert, and we want to insert a chart, see Charts. And the kind of chart that we're going to insert is a scatter plot. So there is our scatter plot. If you mouse over, you can see some different options, but this is the one that we want. So I'm going to click. And now we were able to generate a process data table and generate our scatter plot. Watch the next video to see how to put error bars on the scatter plot.